Whoop. Did I scare you? What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're drawing the giveaway winner for the high lift jack and the Rago Fabrications jack mount. If you guys remember, a couple of weeks back I believe, we asked you guys to enter, and I honestly appreciate each and every one of you guys because there was literally a lot of entries. So whoever the lucky winner was, you already know who it is because I emailed you. So by the time I post this video, if you've emailed me back, thank you. And for the ones that didn't win, don't be discouraged because I am going to be doing a lot more giveaways in the future. Actually, this coming Sunday, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. And this giveaway that I'm going to be doing, it's going to be for any car owner. So I did it this way, that way it's not only for specific people or only for Tacoma owners. It's going to be for anybody that owns a vehicle. I did want to ask you guys one question though. Did you guys like the website that we used for the giveaway? Your guys' opinions and thoughts seriously mean a lot to me, so if you can, in the comment section below, let me know if you guys like that website or if I should use something else in the future. And also stay tuned because the giveaway winner is pretty close to us, maybe like an hour and a half away. So if the giveaway winner does allow us to go directly to them to deliver their prize, we are going to be of course vlogging that and maybe do a trial video out of it. Just depends on the person if they say it's okay or not. Hopefully he says yes. Hopefully he wants to do this. It would be a pretty cool experience for us three, me, Chris, Nate. So if you're watching this video, let me know in the comment section below if you're down for that. Let me know what you guys think. You guys think that would be an awesome video to watch just to get his like expression in person, or let us know in the comment section below. So I'm not gonna keep you guys that long. Please stay tuned. Like I said, there's gonna be another giveaway coming seriously really soon. And it's for any car owner. Doesn't matter what kind of vehicle you have. It's for you guys. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to go check out Nate and Chris. They will be in the description box below. See you guys.